Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Everwebinar to automate your webinars and reach a global audience. So let's get started. First of all, Everwebinar lets you automate pre-recorded webinars so you don't have to host live events repeatedly. It's perfect for content that stays relevant over time, like courses, training sessions, and sales presentations. You can schedule your webinar to run at set times or allow instant access. Plus, you can add live interactions like chat, polls, or and offers. So before setting up your webinar, you need a pre-recorded video, right? And this can be from a past webinar jam session or hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, or a cloud service like with an MP4 direct link. Alright. So make sure you have these tools ready to streamline the setup process. And there's also some content pre-check here, so go over this list here, see if you have everything added. Now let's create a webinar. So first log into ever webinar, or go to webinars and click plus add webinar. So this is how you can add, and it will look like this dashboard. And next, set your source video. This is the main content your audience will see. You can choose a past webinar jam session or upload an external URL or an external video here. And before promoting your webinar, it's important to test it. So here's what you need to make sure. This is the testing phase. Make sure your attendees can sign up and confirm reminders emails are sent, and also ensure all live elements trigger correctly. And then test interactions, features, and playback. Once your webinars are up, it will look like something. This one it will look like this, and you can also check your analytics and traffic data from the dashboard. So after that, once your testing is done, you can share registration and access links. All right. So go to your links, then copy the attendee registration link and share it in emails. All right. And you can also send presenter access links to speakers and share moderator links if you have co-host managing this event. All right. And after your webinar, check analytics, this analytics here, to see traffic, engagement, visitors data, and more data real time. And you can also view attendee details, download chat logs, poll results, and pending questions from the registration section here, this section here. And if you want to share reply, go to your webinars and links, and you can just copy these links and replay link, and or you can download them. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to use Everwebinar to automate your events and reach a wider audience.